Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 6 Science Olympiad. And in class 6 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is changes around us. Okay. So in our previous session, we have discussed some questions of this chapter. And in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, which of the following changes that occur in our bodies is reversible? Options are A, increase in height, B, decrease in weight, C, growing of nails, D, none of above. So, which of the following changes that occur in our bodies is reversible? So कौन सा changes है जो कि reversible है? Okay, so here increase in height it is not reversible, decrease in weight it is also not, growing of nails no. So here the correct answer is option D, that is none of the above. Okay. Coming to the next question, cow dung to biogas is a chemical change. Why? Options are A, because biogas can be converted back to cow dung. B, because a new product is formed. C, both A and B. D, because chemical composition remains the same. So, cow dung, conversion of cow dung to biogas is a chemical change. Why? So, हियर जो काउ डोंग है वो जब वो बायोगैस में कन्वर्ट होता है और न्यू substances formed during the process. Okay, so as a new substance is formed during the process and it is not reversible, so it is a chemical change. So here the correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question, which of the following changes in water state is a physical change? Options are A, melting, B, condensation, C, boiling, D, all of the above. So here, which of the following changes in water state is physical change? इनमें से कौन सा चीज जो कि physical physical change है? So physical change का मतलब क्या होता है? So physical change here, no new substances formed during the process. कोई भी न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, सो हियर let us discuss all the options. So melting especially for water, when ice that is in solid state, when it is converted to water in liquid state it is melting. Solid से liquid में convert होता है, that process is known as melting. Here condensation, when gases are converted to the liquid state. Here we can say water vapor which is present in the gaseous state when it is converted to water which is present in the liquid state, that is known as condensation. Gaseous state से liquid state में convert होने को condensation कहते हैं. Then boiling, here water which is present in the liquid state when it is converted to the water vapor that is in the gaseous state at 100 degree Celsius. Okay, it is known as boiling. So यहाँ पे जो भी तीनों process है, in all the processes what is happening, the physical state of water is changing. Okay, no new substance is formed, only physical state is changing. So all of these are physical changes. So here the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Okay, coming to the next question, the metal rim is attached to the wooden cartwheel by, options are A, hitting the metal rim, B, hitting the wooden wheel, C, pulling metal rim, D, pulling wooden wheel. Okay, सो हियर जो मेटल रिम है वो जब वुडन कार्टव्हील में फिट होता है, जब हम उसे वहां पे अटैच करते हैं तो कैसे अटैच करते हैं? वी अटैच इट बाय हिटिंग द मेटल रिम. ओके, व्हाई? व्हेन वी हिट द मेटल रिम इट एक्सपेंड्स. ऑन हिटिंग द मेटल इट एक्सपेंड्स, वो एक्सपांड करता है और वो अच्छे से फिट हो जाता है. Okay, that's why here the correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, the shape and size of a pencil and eraser change with repeated use. Is it possible to undo this change? Options are A, yes, to some extent, B, no, C, मे बी डी डाटा इनसफिशिएंट। तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि पेंसिल और इरेजर का जो शेप और साइज चेंज होता है ऑन रिपीटेड यूज वेदर इज इट पॉसिबल टू अंडू द चेंजेस। अब हम पेंसिल यूज करेंगे, वी आर यूजिंग पेंसिल, सो then we sharp the pencil, right? The size of the pencil, it is decreasing. Can we increase the size of pencil again? No, right? Okay, and eraser, when we repeatedly use the eraser, its size also decreases. Can we again increase the size of the eraser? No. So here the correct answer is option B, that is no. Coming to the next question, what kind of change is expansion? Options are A, irreversible, B, permanent, C, reversible, D, all of the above. So we have to find out what kind of change is expansion. Expansion जो होता है वो किस टाइप का चेंज होता है? Okay, so it is a reversible change. Suppose we are taking a metal. Yes, so when we are hitting the metal, when we hit the metal, expansion occurs. Okay, वो expand करता है, उसका size increase होता है, expansion occurs. And when we pull it, then contraction occurs. So it is a reversible change. Heat करके हम उसको expand कर सकते हैं, and again when we pull it, we can contract the size or we can get back the size. Okay, so it is a reversible change. Coming to the next question, what happens when water is heated in a pan? Options are A, quantity of the water in the pan increases, B, water starts to cool up, C, quantity of water in the pan decreases, D, वाटर चेंजेस इनटू सॉलिड। तो जब हम वाटर को एक पेन में लेके हीट करेंगे, देन व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन वी हीट वाटर? ओके, व्हाट विल हैपन? द वाटर इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर पेपर। सो जो वाटर रहेगा पैन में वो वाटर पेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, इट विल कन्वर्ट टू वाटर पेपर। सो द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर प्रेजेंट इन द पेन इट विल डिक्रीज। जो क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर प्रेजेंट है, जब वो वाटर पेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा तो उसका जो अमाउंट है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, जो क्वांटिटी है वो डिक्रीज करेगा। ओके, सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज क्वांटिटी ऑफ द वाटर इन द पेन डिक्रीजेस। गॉट इट? Coming to the next question, in a chemical change, options are A, the molecule of the substance do not change, B, the molecule of the substance change, C, the substance remains the same, D, change is reversible. तो chemical change में क्या होता है? In a chemical change, what happens here? New substance is formed during the process. Okay, so when new substance is formed, new substance is formed. So new substance form होने का मतलब क्या है? The molecule of the substance changes. जो substance का molecule है वो change होके new substance form करेगा. Okay, so here correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, in a chemical change, options are energy is either absorbed or given out, B, energy is always absorbed, C, energy is given out, D, energy changes do not occur. So in a chemical change क्या होता है? In a chemical change either energy absorb होता है और energy release होता है। Okay, so chemical change में new substance formation होता है, there is formation of new substance. जो substance है, ओके, जो रिएक्शन हो रहे हैं, सो द बॉन्ड इज ब्रोकन। जो बॉन्ड होता है वो ब्रेक होता है। सो व्हेन बॉन्ड इज ब्रेक, ओके, व्हेन वी ब्रेक द बॉन्ड, सो फॉर दैट वी नीड एनर्जी, तो एनर्जी अब्जॉर्ब होता है। ओके, एंड व्हेन द न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म, जब न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म होता है, दैट मीन्स न्यू बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म, एट दैट टाइम एनर्जी इज गिवन आउट। सो in a chemical change, energy is either absorbed or given out. Got it? So correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, physical changes can be generally reversed. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Options are 1. Zinc oxide on heating changes to yellow color, however on cooling its color changes to white. 2. When a piece of iron is struck with a permanent magnet, it gets magnetized. However, if the magnetized iron is hammered, it loses its magnetism. 3. Wax on being heated changes into its liquid state. However, liquid wax changes into solid on cooling. Options are A, 1 and 2 both, B, only 3, C, 1, 2 and 3, D, none of the above. So, हमें find out करना है कि which are physical change. Okay, generally physical change are reversed. So, zinc oxide on heating changes to yellow color. However, on cooling its color changes to white. So, when we heat zinc oxide, okay, it is converted into zinc. So, when it is converted into zinc, new substances form during the reaction. So, it is it is not a physical change, it is a chemical change. Okay, next option 2, when a piece of iron is stroked with a permanent magnet, it gets magnetized. Magnetized हो जाता है, and when magnetized iron is hammered, it loses magnetism. This one is a physical change. No new substances formed during the reaction और वो reversible भी है. Okay, so this one is physical change. 3. Wax on being heated changes into its liquid state. जब हम wax को heat करते हैं वो liquid state में convert होता है. However, liquid wax changes into solid on cooling और हम जब उसे cool कर देते हैं तो वो liquid wax again solid wax में convert हो जाता है. So this is also physical change. Okay, वो भी only physical state में changes होता है. No new substances formed during the reaction. Okay, when wax is heated, it is physical change. When wax is burned, जब हम उसको burn करेंगे, that is the chemical change. So don't get confused between them. Okay. So here 2 and 3 are physical changes. So correct answer is option D. That is none of the above. Coming to the next question. Sahana took a small amount of lead nitrate in a dry test tube. Holding the test tube with a test tube holder, she put the test tube over the flame of the burner and heated it. Soon a brown gas with a pungent smell is produced. The gas turns blue litmus red. She also observed a yellow solid residue remains in the test tube. So conclusion of the above experiment may be, options are A, the brown gas evolved was nitrogen dioxide, which is acidic in nature. The residue was yellow solid of lead oxide. B. The brown gas evolved was lead oxide, which is acidic in nature. The residue was the yellow solid of nitrogen oxide. C. The brown gas evolved was acidic in nature. The residue was the yellow solid of nitrogen dioxide. D. None of the above is correct conclusion. So, lead nitrate is heated here. When lead nitrate is heated, it gives rise to lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Okay, this lead oxide, it is yellow in color, और जो nitrogen dioxide, that is acidic in nature. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A. On the nitrogen dioxide also it is brown in color. So correct answer is option A. The brown gas evolved was nitrogen dioxide, which is acidic in nature, and the residue was yellow solid of lead oxide. Got it? Coming to the next question. In which of the following statements excuse me, it is proven that energy keeps on moving from one source to another, and that is not static. Okay, so glowing of a light bulb, B burning of candle, C baking of cake, D all of them. So यहाँ पे कौन से ऑप्शन में एनर्जी जो है वो मूव हो रहा है फ्रॉम वन सोर्स टू अनदर एंड इट इज नॉट स्टैटिक. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ग्लोइंग ऑफ ए लाइट बल्ब. तो यहाँ पे जो एनर्जी है वो मूव कर रहा है. ओके, और व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड देन द बल्ब इट इज ग्लोइंग. ओके, yes. So here correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question. What property remains the same during physical or chemical changes? Options are A. Density, B. Shape, C. Mass, D. Arrangement of particles. So physical और chemical change में कौन सा property है कि जो same रहता है? Okay, and that is the mass, and it is in accordance with law of conservation of mass. And what is law of conservation of mass? Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during a reaction. Okay, कोई भी reaction जब होता है mass produce नहीं हो सकता कि mass destroy नहीं हो सकता. So mass is to be kept constant. Okay, so here the correct answer is option C, that is mass. Coming to the next question, which of the following does not indicate a chemical change? Does not indicate a chemical change. Options are A. Change in color, B. Change in shape, C. Change in energy, D. Change in order. So chemical change जो है हम उसको identify कैसे करते हैं? There may be change in color, change in energy, change in order. Okay, but change in shape is not there. Got it? So correct answer is option B, that is change in shape. So these are the इंडिकेशन ऑफ केमिकल चेंज की कलर चेंज होगा, एनर्जी मतलब एनर्जी चेंज दैट वी कैन से इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, हीट का चेंज हो सकता है, चेंज इन ऑर्डर हो सकता है. ओके, सो दिस थिंग्स आर अकरिंग इन अ केमिकल चेंज. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज कॉमन among the following phenomena? A slice of apple if kept in open develop a brown color. B. Burning of magnesium ribbon. C. A new substance is formed during this change. Options are A. All examples of periodic changes. B. All are example of undesirable changes. C. All are example of chemical changes. D. All are example of irreversible changes. So in all the a slice of apple जब हम उसको कट करते हैं develops a brown color. Okay, so new substances formed during the reaction which is irreversible. Burning of magnesium ribbon, when we burn the magnesium ribbon, जब magnesium ribbon को हम burn करते हैं new substances form, magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium oxide एक new substance form होता है. Okay, next third, a new substances formed during this change. So all are the features of chemical changes, or we can say example and features of chemical changes. Okay, so correct answer is option C, all are the example of chemical changes. Got it? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay, so meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.